Looks like Alabama had an earthquake on March the 11th, 2015, on Wednesday. Part of West Alabama was shaken by a magnitude 3.1 earthquake Wednesday evening. Now, Wednesday night's earthquake happened around 8:19 p.m., which was about 12 miles northwest of Eutaw in Greene County, according to the USGS. Okay? Looks like that quake happened about 6.7 miles underground. And since in the past 4 months, the USGS has recorded several earthquakes above magnitude 2 within several miles of Wednesday's epicenter. Okay? The first of those happened back in November 20th and was the largest at magnitude 3.8. The most recent one was 3.1 magnitude, and that happened on February 27th. And just yesterday, March the 11th, they had a 3.1 underground earthquake in Alabama.